Hi YouTube, Brent here. Welcome back to another YouTube training where I share with you the best ways to make money online that are working right now in 2022. Every week I search the internet and try to find the best products for you to promote as an affiliate so you don't have to create your own products or websites. You don't even need to handle shipping or customer service. Now, if you're new here and that statement was confusing, let me repeat that. With the method I teach called affiliate marketing, you don't need to create your own products or wholesale them from overseas or even build your own online course or digital product. Because as an affiliate, your only job is to promote great products that are existing already, and you get a commission every time someone makes a purchase or signs up. And today, I want to get into a niche you may not be familiar with. We've talked a lot about other products that help people make money online or get in shape, but this niche is just as profitable as any of those. And I'm going to reveal what that niche is and what offer I recommend promoting. But first, if you're new here, welcome to my channel. You may have noticed that YouTube has like and subscribe buttons, so go ahead and hit both of those for me. I'm also interested in hearing your thoughts about everything online business, so go ahead and leave a comment below and let's get started. The niche I'm sharing with you today is the home and garden niche, where you can promote anything from garden tools to renovation leads. But today I want to share with you an offer that I found on Clickbank that's absolutely crushing it right now and has been for quite some time. The offer is Ted's Woodworking, which is filled with woodworking blueprints that are constantly being updated. What's exciting about promoting this product is that you can earn $75 commissions on all of their products, which is really high in this industry. You could check out for yourself by going to clickbank.com and creating a free account. After you've logged in, click on the marketplace icon on the left. Once you're in, search woodworking in the search bar on the top right. You may need to scroll down a little to find Ted's Woodworking. From what we can see here, the average commission value, or in other words, the dollar amount you would receive on average when a commission comes in, is $63.32. Clickbank also tells us the gravity score, which is an indication of how many times this specific offer has converted for other affiliates. For Ted's Woodworking, this score is an outstanding 122. If you would like to promote this specific offer, click on the promote button on the right, and Clickbank will give you what they call a hop link. This is just another name for an affiliate link, and it's the link that you'll be promoting in order to receive commissions. One thing I'll mention is that this offer may not be on Clickbank when you watch this video. If that's the case, go ahead and search for any other offer, one that has a good conversion amount and has a gravity score of above 50. Okay. Now that we've located an offer that we'd like to promote, it's time to build a funnel. We're going to build an affiliate funnel. I use a software called ClickFunnels, which allows me to quickly build those affiliate funnels out. But here's a quick breakdown of how affiliate funnels work. Typically, there's two parts. First, there's a landing page where you invite someone to give you their email address in exchange for a free gift that you can either create or find elsewhere. Then you send the traffic to a thank you page that allows them to claim the free gift. You'll also utilize this page to introduce your paid offer, the one from Clickbank that we just saw earlier. You'll see why gathering these email addresses and building a list is so important later on, but for now, just know that this page is designed to build your email list. Since the offer we're promoting is in the woodworking niche, this would be a PDF guide or even a video training. Again, you don't need to be an expert or even create this for yourself. You can go on Fiverr and have someone make it for you, or even give a YouTube link that you found helpful. Let's check out an example landing page that you can build using ClickFunnels. In this scenario, Ted's Woodworking actually provides you with a free gift to give out. It's an ebook called The 7 Deadly Mistakes of Woodworking, and they let us use it totally free to help you build your email list. A few things to note about this example opt-in page. One, it's simple. There's no harsh colors screaming at you or a ton of pictures cluttering the page. Just a simple white background with a few sentences or text and a subscribe button. The button is a nice green color, not neon green, and it has plenty of contrast with the background. It's crucial that you have contrast. It directs visitors' eyes to where you want them to click. Now, let's look at an example of the thank you page. Once someone has opted into your email list, again, note the simplicity. We provide the visitor with a place where they can download the book we promised. We also invite them to learn more about the affiliate offer, which would be in this case, Ted's woodworking product. As this cannot be stressed hard enough, I'll say it again. Keep your opt-in pages and your thank you pages simple. So now that we have an offer, we have an affiliate funnel built, it's time to move to step 3. And step 3 is to follow up with email. This is one of the most important steps. Email marketing. You've got to follow up with email. The old method of affiliate marketing was simply finding a product, sending traffic, getting a commission, and heading on your merry way. This was the one and done, one commission deal. Now let's take Ted's Woodworking for instance. The old method was just to send traffic to your affiliate link for the offer and collect commissions that come in. This really isn't a business. It's basically you just acting as a marketing agent. To build a long-term profitable business, you need assets. And what's the most valuable asset you can own? Your email list. So when you're using sales funnels like the ones I've shown you, you're not only collecting commissions, but you're also gathering email subscribers. In addition to promoting Ted's Woodworking, you would become an affiliate of the other woodworking products. For example, you could possibly look at promoting things like aprons or tools. As you build your email list, you can start promoting all these different products. Without an email list, it's hard to make multiple commissions and see the success that you want. If you take nothing else away from this video, here's what I want you to know. You need an email list to make multiple commissions. This is essential for long-term massive success. One thing that's helped me in the affiliate marketing process is partnering with a digital marketing expert who's been through many different challenges in building a successful business. The specific program I recommend to everyone is called Partner with Anthony, created by Anthony Morrison. In this program, Anthony walks through how to set up a sales funnel as well as an email marketing system. The focus of this program is building an email list, the core concept we've talked about today, and also creating a way to earn multiple commissions from the same customer, some of which are recurring revenue. My belief is that affiliate marketers need recurring revenue streams to scale their business. The Partner with Anthony program has multiple recurring opportunities. It's a one-stop shop for an entire ecosystem. When you send traffic to it, it takes over and generates multiple commissions for you. The best part is you get to partner with Anthony Morrison himself. And that's really important because he's a spokesperson, he's the sales guy, he pitches and sells his products, and you get the commissions. That means there's no selling on your part. If this piques your interest at all, go ahead and click on the link in the description below. It'll take a few minutes to check out and learn more. My guess is you'll at least learn something new that will help you in your business. Now again, that link is in the description. Click it to learn more. And that's a wrap, YouTube. I want to thank you so much for staying with me till the end. And if I've provided value in this video, please hit that like button. And if you want to learn more about other online strategies to generate income that work today, check out this video I've linked in either the card above or in the end screen. And I'd also like to know if you've already tried a salary supplementing side hustle. What strategies are you using? What niche are you in? Write a little something below. I'd love to start a friendly conversation with you. This is Brent, your friendly affiliate, telling you to stay straight, stay true, and most importantly, never give up.